Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro, and welcome to Tomorrow's VA, the home of online training for the Savvy Assistant, where you can find lots of tips and tricks. Today, I want to talk to you about why I do what I do. Well, I do what I do, which is teaching you how to master Microsoft Office more effectively so that you can get more done in less time. Because I just love helping people get more done in less time. People who've been doing things a very long way round. That's what I like to simplify. And my learners consistently tell me that they save time by putting my tips and tricks into action. So that's why I do what I do, really because I love it. Yes, it's nice to get paid for it too, but I really enjoy what I do as well. And I think that is so important that when you're at work, you can have fun. Hit the subscribe button below. Every week there'll be a new tip video, and I'll see you in the next one.